Improving English Pronunciation Through Feedback. A Step-by-Step Guide. Hello there, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial part of your English learning journey, incorporating feedback from teachers and peers into your personalized self-assessment checklist. This method is a powerful way to improve your pronunciation and reduce your accent. Feedback is essential to learning any new skill, and language learning is no different. When you practice pronunciation, the way you hear yourself might be different from how others hear you. That's where feedback from teachers and peers comes into play. It can help you identify the areas you need to work on, such as pronunciation of specific sounds, stress, or intonation. Teacher feedback is incredibly valuable because teachers have expertise in the language and can provide accurate, constructive feedback. When you receive feedback, write it down. Note the common problems your teacher points out in your pronunciation. Add these notes into your self-assessment checklist. For example, if your teacher mentions that you're not pronouncing the th sound correctly, make a checklist item like, practice the th sound in words like the, think, and through. Peer feedback can also be very helpful. Your peers are learning just like you, so they understand your struggles. Ask them to listen to your pronunciation and to give you honest feedback. They might notice things that you or your teacher didn't. Incorporate their feedback into your checklist as well, creating specific items based on their observations. Your self-assessment checklist should be a living document, regularly updated based on new feedback. Review it often, focusing on 1 or 2 items at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to fix everything at once. As you feel improvement, revise the checklist to focus on new areas. So, that's it for today, folks. Remember, the key to improving pronunciation is feedback and deliberate practice. Don't be shy to ask for feedback from teachers and peers. Use it to create and update your personalized self-assessment checklist. Keep practicing, and you'll see your pronunciation and accent improve over time. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next video.